with the girls, exploring some of the well-known spots here. This video picks up right where video 1 on the Stellar Blaze account left off. We're continuing at City Hall, which is one of the finest examples of Beaux-Arts architecture in the US.
That is beautiful level.
We're right now in Whole Foods Market. Let's go get food. And that's another name for Little Italy, North Beach. A lot of shops for like eating. It's an Italian little flag. They have them everywhere.